When life feels heavy, it is often not because the world has changed, but because the mind has gathered dust. Thoughts become cluttered, emotions become restless, and even small problems begin to look like mountains. In such moments, ancient wisdom reminds us that transformation does not always require great force. Sometimes it begins with something as simple as salt. Salt is one of the oldest elements known to humanity. It preserves food, purifies surfaces, and restores balance where decay begins. But beyond the physical world, salt also carries a symbolic lesson. It teaches us how to remove what is unnecessary so that what is essential can shine again. Just as a pinch of salt can change the taste of water, a small shift in awareness can change the direction of life. To clear what people call bad luck, one must first understand what it truly is. It is not an external curse or invisible force waiting to strike. It is the accumulation of negative thoughts, repeated doubt, unresolved emotions, and actions taken without awareness. When the mind is clouded, decisions become weak, and life begins to feel blocked. The real transformation begins not outside, but within. Salt is used in many traditions as a symbol of cleansing. If you place a small amount of salt in water and gently dissolve it, it represents the release of inner tension. In a calm state, imagine placing your worries into that water. See them dissolving, not being fought, but simply being released. This is not magic, it is mindfulness. The salt becomes a reminder that nothing heavy remains forever unless we continue to hold it. When we speak of changing destiny, it is important to understand that destiny is not fixed like stone. It is more like flowing water. Each thought is a drop, each action is a ripple, and together they shape the direction of the river. If the water is dirty, it can be purified. If the flow is weak, it can be strengthened. But first, awareness must return. Using salt as a daily ritual can serve as a grounding practice. A small pinch placed in clean water before the start of the day can become a moment of reflection. In that moment, pause and observe your breath. Let go of yesterday's regrets and tomorrow's fears. This simple act reminds the mind that renewal is always possible. Just as salt dissolves and disappears, so too can negativity lose its form when not fed by attention. But the true power is not in the salt itself. It is in the intention. Without awareness, even sacred symbols become ordinary objects. With awareness, even the simplest elements become teachers. Salt teaches discipline, humility, and clarity. It does not shout or demand attention. It quietly transforms what it touches. To change the direction of life, one must also change the direction of thought. Speak less of what is wrong and more of what can be balanced. Observe your reactions before they turn into habits. Choose patience when anger rises. Choose silence when confusion grows. These small choices, repeated daily, are what reshape destiny far more than any external ritual. Eventually, you will realize that there is no need to chase luck. What people call luck is often just clarity meeting opportunity. When a mind is clean, decisions align naturally. When emotions are calm, actions become precise. And when actions are clear, life begins to move smoothly again. So the salt is not a miracle object. It is a mirror. It reflects your readiness to let go of what weighs you down. And in that letting go, something subtle but powerful happens. Space is created. And in that space, new possibility. Salt symbolizes cleansing and balance, not magic. The speech presents salt as a symbolic tool that represents purification, clarity, and removing mental and emotional clutter rather than supernatural power. Salt is presented in this speech not as a magical force that alters fate on its own, but as a symbolic reminder of purification and inner balance. In many cultures, salt has always been associated with cleansing because it preserves food, removes impurities, and restores freshness where decay begins. This practical quality becomes a powerful metaphor for the human mind. Just as salt helps cleanse physical substances, awareness helps cleanse mental patterns that no longer serve us. When life feels heavy or unlucky, it is often because thoughts have become clouded with fear, regret, or overthinking. The idea of using salt in a simple reflective practice is meant to shift attention inward, helping a person recognize that change begins with clarity rather than external objects. The salt itself has no mystical power. Instead, it works as a focus point for intention. When someone dissolves salt in water and reflects quietly, it represents the release of inner tension and unnecessary emotional weight. This process encourages mindfulness, grounding the mind in the present moment. In this way, salt becomes a teacher rather than a tool of superstition. It reminds us that purification is always possible, not through force, but through awareness, acceptance, and letting go of what is no longer needed in thought and behavior. Bad luck is described as internal, not external. What people call bad luck is explained as the result of negative thoughts, unresolved emotions, and unconscious habits affecting decisions and outcomes. Bad luck is described in this teaching not as something sent from outside, but as a reflection of inner confusion and unbalanced thinking. When a mind is filled with worry, doubt, and repeated negative assumptions, it begins to influence decisions in a way that creates further difficulty. This cycle can feel like fate is working against a person, but in reality, it is often the absence of clarity and calm awareness. The use of salt and water is introduced as a simple symbolic practice to break this mental pattern. Salt dissolves completely, disappearing into the water, and this process represents how heavy thoughts can also be released when they are not clung to. The act of observing salt dissolve is meant to train attention, reminding the mind that nothing is permanent, including stress and emotional burden. In this state of reflection, a person is encouraged to pause, breathe, and recognize that they are not trapped by past experiences or future fears. Instead, each moment offers the possibility of a new direction. Destiny, therefore, is not a fixed path written in stone, but a flow shaped by awareness and choices. When a mind becomes clearer, actions naturally improve, and life begins to feel lighter, more balanced, and more open to positive outcomes. Mindfulness is the real transformation process. The act of using salt and water is framed as a mindfulness practice that helps release worries and reset the mind, rather than a literal ritual for changing fate. Destiny, in this teaching, is not treated as something fixed or written beyond change, but as a continuous flow shaped by attention, intention, and daily action. When a person repeatedly reacts from confusion, anger, or fear, life begins to feel blocked, as if unseen forces are limiting progress. However, this blockage is not external punishment. It is the natural outcome of unexamined thinking patterns. The practice of using salt and water becomes a symbolic reminder that even what feels heavy can be dissolved. Salt, once placed in water, disappears completely, yet its presence transforms the whole mixture. In the same way, awareness has the power to transform the mind without resistance or struggle. By observing this simple act, a person is encouraged to understand that change does not always require force, but often requires presence. When attention returns to the present moment, the grip of past regrets and future anxieties begins to loosen. This creates inner space, and in that space, new possibilities naturally arise. The teaching emphasizes that clarity is the real source of improvement in life. When thoughts become clearer, decisions become wiser, and actions align more smoothly with reality. Over time, this alignment is what people often describe as luck changing, though it is actually the result of inner transformation and steady awareness. Destiny is shaped by thoughts and actions. Life is compared to flowing water, where repeated thoughts and daily actions create direction, meaning destiny can be reshaped through awareness and better choices. The idea of transformation in this teaching is deeply connected to awareness of the present moment. What appears as obstacles in life is often the mind's interpretation of events rather than the events themselves. When perception is clouded, even neutral situations can feel heavy or unfortunate. The symbolic use of salt in water represents the process of dissolving these mental distortions. Just as salt disappears into water and cannot be separated again, thoughts and emotions can also be released when they are observed without attachment. This does not mean ignoring problems, but understanding them without becoming controlled by them. In this calm observation, the mind begins to settle and clarity gradually replaces confusion. When clarity increases, reactions become more thoughtful rather than impulsive. Many difficulties that are attributed to bad luck are actually the result of repeated patterns of reaction. Fear leading to hesitation, anger leading to conflict, and doubt leading to missed opportunities. By pausing and becoming aware, these cycles can be interrupted. The teaching suggests that even a simple daily reflection, like observing salt dissolve in water, can act as a reminder to return to balance. Over time, this practice encourages patience, stability, and inner strength. As these qualities grow, life begins to feel more aligned, and situations that once seemed blocked start to open naturally, not through force, but through steady awareness. Real change comes from awareness and daily discipline. The speech emphasizes that calm thinking, patience, and conscious reactions are what truly shift life's direction, while salt serves only as a reminder of inner clarity. What is often called destiny is, in this teaching, understood as the ongoing result of inner states expressed through thought, emotion, and action. Life does not change only through external effort. It also changes through the quality of awareness behind every action. When awareness is unclear, even strong effort can lead to confusion. When awareness is steady, even small actions can create meaningful direction. The symbolic use
The night
of salt
becomes
and
very
water
quiet between
serves
3
as a
a.m. and 5
reminder of
a.m.
this inner principle.
The world slows
Salt
down,
dissolves
distractions
completely,
disappear,
yet
and
it
the mind
changes
becomes
the
more
entire
sensitive to
nature
the
of the
whispers
water,
hidden beneath
showing
daily
how
noise.
something simple
Many
can
people fear
influence
waking up
an
at this
entire
hour
system.
thinking something is wrong
In the
with
same
them.
way,
But sometimes this
awareness
moment is not a
quietly
punishment.
transforms
It is a
the
message.
mind without
It is life
force
asking you
or
to pause and
resistance.
listen carefully.
The idea
When
of
you suddenly
clearing
wake
bad
during
luck
these sacred hours,
is
do not grab your phone
reframed
immediately.
as the
Do
process
not
of
rush
releasing
toward noise,
accumulated
worry,
mental
or endless
weight.
thoughts.
This
Sit
includes
still for a
worries about
moment.
the future,
Close your eyes and breathe
regrets from the
slowly.
past,
Feel
and
the silence
repeated
around you.
negative assumptions
In this
about
silence,
oneself
the restless
or
mind begins to
circumstances.
reveal what it
These
has been
patterns
hiding
create
during the
inner
busy
tension,
daylight hours.
which then affects
Often,
perception
waking at
and
this time
behavior.
means the heart
The
is carrying
practice of
unspoken
observing
emotions.
salt dissolve
Perhaps there is
is not
fear
about
about the
changing
future, pain
fate
from the
externally,
past, or
but
stress
about
quietly
training the
growing inside
mind
the
to let
body.
go.
During the day,
In
you
that
may ignore
moment
these
of
feelings with
still
work,
observation,
entertainment, or
a person
conversation.
learns that thoughts are
But in the
not
deep
permanent
hours of the night,
structures,
truth becomes
but
louder because
passing
distractions
movements.
disappear.
As this
The
understanding
first thing you should do is calm your
reactions
breathing.
become
Inhale
less
slowly and
automatic
deeply.
and more
Hold the breath
conscious.
gently for a moment,
Instead
then
of
release it with
responding with
softness.
fear or
Each breath is like
frustration,
washing dust
there
from
is
the
space
mind.
to choose
As your breathing
patience
slows,
and
the storm
clarity.
inside begins
Over
to settle.
time,
Then
this
place your
shift
attention on
changes the
gratitude instead
overall
of fear.
direction of life.
Whisper quietly
Opportunities
to
that were
yourself, I am
once
safe,
missed
I am
due to
guided, I release what
confusion
I cannot
become
control.
visible again.
These simple words carry great
Relationships
power because the mind
improve
follows
as
whatever it
communication
repeatedly
becomes
hears.
calmer.
Fear weakens
Decisions
the
become
spirit, but
lighter
awareness
and more
strengthens
aligned.
it. Do
In
not
this
fight the
way,
wakefulness.
what people describe
Resistance
as destiny
creates more
changing
suffering.
is
Instead,
actually
treat
the
this moment as an
gradual
invitation to
unfolding
reconnect
of
with
a clearer
yourself.
rim.